You're looking for a fan to cool yourself off in a nice large area in a room, an outdoor 24-inch pedestal fan? I'm going to show you how to install and what this fan is about. AKIRES 24-inch outdoor pedestal. It's a fan model number FGSB24. They make two models. Check online for further details of the one you're after. We're going to open up, show you the high quality motor, the triple cooling system, and what the fan is about. The fan is moderate weight. As we open up to show you how nicely they are packaged, installation is required. It is made of black metal with a plastic coupler with an additional piping system inside and plastic rings. And the unit is boxed and protected in cardboard. And the instruction guide. All the parts are laid out on the table. We have the fan and each of the blades. They measure at the widest angle, 9.5 inches, to the narrowest area, 4.5 inches, and the height of it at 10 inches, and the whole diameter of it, 24 inches. It's made of yellow. It's black. It's got aluminum metal, a screw to tighten down, and rivets on the blade area. It is not sharp, but it is caution. Please be careful. Then we have some covers that are simply pressed together during shipment. Please be careful how to separate. Take your time. Pull the clips on each of the side in black. They are forced in. These are the clips we're talking about. Simply lift up and away. You have your front and back cover. Each of the covers in full diameter measures 25.5 inches. We have the pedestal's base that measures 23.75 inches with a large washer that has bolts, nuts that we're going to secure down, and we have them inside here with a rubber ring. This is your outdoor pedestal. We have the poles, the bottom pole, the adjustable top pole, the coupler, the cosmetic cover, and the top head. If we measure the pole and place everything together at the maximum height we have here, without assembly measures over 40 inches, 41 inches outside to outside. And then we have the high quality heavy duty motor with the spokes already in, the speed control in different colors, and the ball head 120-degree rotation. These are the steps to follow to install your fan. This is the cosmetic pedestal outdoor cover. It goes on the floor. We have 4 bolts, short to remove. They're the inner ones over here, put to the side. When placing together, we have a base pole, a cosmetic cover that needs to go on first. We have a pole that needs to go on second. You have 2 rings slide in through with the 2 holes facing up, and carefully slide through. Adjust on both sides. Feel for the pole and gently slide through. Holding the pole, take the outer ring cover, slide on, and spin on and lock into place. The tighter you make it, the more secure this pole holds. Then we take the cover with the 4 short bolts, lifting the cover up gently, placing a bolt into the hole and matching up the hole and starting to secure down. Once all secured into place, tighten down. Gently drop the aluminum cover over the unit as it lays freely. We're taking the outdoor pedestal pole to the floor, adjusting to a comfortable height that is the maximum height with the two holes facing forward. Taking the top head and the two short bolts off and lifting up and into the upper pole, carefully sliding in, matching the holes, and locking down. With the motor, the back fan, and the fan blade, we're going to place on with an optional crescent wrench. Take out the nut on the opposite side, the washer, and the bolt. With the motor, the cable out of the way, slide into the center holes, reinsert the large bolt, the lock washer, and the nut. With the proper tools, lock down. Do not over tighten as it will not adjust to your angle. Adjust to the angle you want when all completed. Remove the partial bolts from the head unit and unscrew. Match up all 4 openings to the back of the motor. Place back on each bolt, working with one at a time and securing down. Do not over tighten or the back plate will not fit in. Now secure down and tighten up. On the shaft, there is a flat side, and on the back of the blade is a bolt and screwdriver that aligns up to the flat end, loosening, sliding on and over, as you can see, going in and adjusting and locking down. Please make sure Loctite is on for security. And the last step is these openings, these clamps, force them up. There is a top part. They all open with the front face and the clip placed onto the top. In between over here that holds into place over the lip area. And then simply lock down each of the ends together on opposite sides. When all the clips are locked and the clips fall into place, it is flexible to bend over and lock down. Please be careful of your floors and the bottom with the ring of rubber. It is a moderate weight fan, a large high quality motor with the extension cord of 5 to 6 feet with a motor of 4 speeds, 0, 1, 2, 3. 3 speeds are high, medium, and low, with an adjustment and lock down with your crescent wrench for your angle, with a rotation of 120-degree oscillating. As we're going to plug in, and we will demonstrate in the garage, the oscillating fan. The last step before turning the fan on is removing a bolt. No screwdriver is needed. Lift up and careful about the floor. Over here, unscrew, hold, and place on and adjust the fan to the outer screw. If you cannot, turn the fan on and allow the unit to maneuver around and shut off. That allows you to screw on and complete the job. In order to lock in your fan and not move, we have a safety bolt that locks down in the gear area of going up and down on both sides. We are going to adjust our fan by adjusting the angle we want and locking down both sides to secure down. Now we are 100% ready to plug in our 5 to 6 foot extension cord again. In the back, we'll show you the 4-way switch. 0, 1, 2, 3. 1 is low, 2 is medium, 3 is high. That rotates 360 degrees. This is speed number 1. If you do not want the fan to oscillate 120 degrees, remove the bolt off the outer area. Please make sure it is clear from a table, that it does not hit, and cause the fan to not spin around. This is speed number 2. It is the second speed, and the fan goes in the rotation left to right, the same oscillating speed. This is speed number 3, the highest. It is a 180 watt fan, and if we spin it to the next one, it is in the off stage of counterclockwise. It is a switch that will turn back on after the labeled area. The labeled area is over here. You'll go into the 3 high speeds again if there was a sticker here, and then in the off. You could turn it on either way. So please be careful how you use your fan. The last measurements we are going to give. From the floor to the top, the fan measures 60 inches. Give or take a few inches depending on if you're tilting down by a few degrees or up at the highest degree level. The fan is all set up in the hot garage, an attic, a warehouse, living rooms, office rooms, and more. We can adjust the fan to lower down by unscrewing and holding down for a low profile all the way up to a high profile and tightening. We have 2 screws that we could lock into place or adjust to the angle we want, and we are with an oscillating 120 degrees. We have a switch that we're going to turn on and show you where it's at. White is off, yellow is slow, blue is medium, red is high. As we turn the fan on and we show you the oscillating area that rotates the whole fan, this must be set up, and this is the adjustment over here to lock down into place. It is a quiet to moderate fan. 24 inches with a yellow blade, as you can see around in the front as it's turning. This is a low speed and rotating 120 for large offices. An extension cord plug in near an outlet, raising up to a medium speed as the fan is blowing. Just to give you an idea that the fan is working and blowing, we put a bag in the front. I'll stand all the way in the back so you can see that the air will be hitting me over here, 10 feet plus away. If you're looking for a fan, a pedestal fan, an outdoor pedestal 24-inch oscillating fan, this may be something that you're looking for. For your cooling needs on those hot days in the garage and attic, a basement, in a living room, in a warehouse, by the boat. You can put it outside only and only when it's not raining. It is a fan for all your needs, for parties, affairs, working, doing whatever you need. Enjoy your fan if this is right for you.